Hi guys! Recently these AI animal dancing videos are so popular everywhere. You can see cat, dog or other animals dancing with music. A lot of people are wondering how to create them. Next, let me show you the step-by-step tutorial to easily make them yourself. To quickly create the dance effect, using ready-made template is the fastest way. So we are using AI Marvel's app to do it. I will share the official link in the description. It is available on both Android and iOS devices. Firstly, we want to go to AI Lab. Tap Banana Pro. Then import an image of cat, dog, or other animals. Here I am using a dog image for example. We want to turn this normal image into something funny. Select Nano Banana Pro or other image models. Tell the app how you want to modify the image. Let's make the dog wear a banana costume. Then tap Submit. After that, we have this cool and funny image ready. You can try more times until you are satisfied. Secondly, go back to Home page. Find the Hot Dance section and tap All. Here lists dozens of the most trending AI dance templates. Select the one you like and import the animal image. Within a little while, the dog or cat dancing video will be generated, just like this one. The dancing motion are very natural and fluently. The video quality is 2K resolution, perfect for sharing to have fun with others. Some templates are using humans as an example, but you can still apply them to animal images to make them dance. Here are more cases. Alright, that's the tutorial for this video. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.